Wally the whale was a gentle soul. He loved the quiet hush of the deep ocean, the soft whoosh of currents, the subtle clicks and whistles of the far-off creatures. But lately, the ocean was anything but quiet. Playful dolphins zipped by, their squeals echoing through the water. Schools of fish chattered incessantly, their tiny voices a constant hum. Even the waves seemed louder, crashing with more energy than usual. Wally longed for peace and quiet, a place where he could simply be. He decided to embark on a journey. First, he explored a vibrant coral reef, a kaleidoscope of colors and life. Tiny clownfish darted in and out of anemones, their laughter ringing in Wally's ears. It was beautiful, but too busy. Next, he ventured into a dark, mysterious underwater cave, hoping for solitude. But even there, the drip, drip, drip of water echoed strangely, disturbing the silence he craved. He swam through fields of glowing jellyfish, their pulsating light a mesmerizing spectacle. But their soft, rhythmic glows weren't quite the quiet he sought. Disheartened, Wally swam towards the deepest part of the ocean, where the pressure was immense and the light was scarce. Here, it was silent, impossibly silent, but the silence was heavy, lonely. He felt a pang of sadness. Was there truly no place for him to find peace? As he began his journey back, he noticed a small group of young sea turtles huddled together near a sunken ship. They were talking softly, sharing stories and secrets. Their voices were low and gentle, creating a peaceful harmony. He joined them, listening to their tales of the ocean's wonders. He didn't need complete silence. He needed companionship, connection. Among the turtles, he found a calm he hadn't experienced before. The sunken ship, with its gentle rocking motion, became his quiet haven. He realized that true peace wasn't about the absence of sound, but about finding contentment within himself and sharing it with others. He wasn't alone, and he learned that friendship could make even the busiest place feel like home. The gentle sway of the ship, the soft whispers of his new friends, created a symphony of peace far more profound than any quiet he'd sought before.